Hello there, students. My name is Teacher Maggie. I live in the wonderful land of the Philippines. I have TFL certificate, which is qualified to teach English. I love drawing, crafting, painting, and also singing. La 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 la. And dancing too. And I love teaching English, especially to the children. That's why I am here to help students build confidence using English. If you love to sing, dance, read, write, and playing educational things, what are you waiting for? Book your class now, and I'll see you in my classroom. Bye-bye!